afternoon, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Brock Townsend here with Garage Weather. Hope you're all having a good day so far. I am taking a look at what's going on right now in the backyard. It's mostly sunny out. Current temperature is 80 degrees. Humidity is at 67%. Winds right now out of the south about 5 miles an hour, bringing up some of that warm Gulf air into our area, which is going to lead to the higher dew points. So, taking a look at today's weather info. Averages for the day are 84 and 62. That's what it's been the last week or so. It'll be that way for pretty much the rest of the month. Records, 103 set back in 1988. Record low was 47 set back in 1946 and 1930. And sunrise this morning was 5:50 a.m. Sunset 8:38 tonight. So looking at those headlines for today, the humidity has returned across the state with that warm front coming over. Heavy rain is possible the next 3 days, especially with that tropical air kind of coming in with the remnants of Barry. And then looking ahead to Friday, we do have a chance of a heat wave coming in. We'll talk more about that coming up. So looking at today's indexes, the UV index for today will be very high across the state. So do make sure if you're outside to wear any kind of sunblock protection. And then air quality's kind of improved over our part of the state today. It's mostly to the city areas of Philadelphia, Harrisburg. So if you're in those areas, if you have any asthma, you know what to do. So, taking a look at what's going on nationally right now, we have this warm front that's kind of moving across over the state. It's going to bring the moisture with the dew points behind it have risen. It's kind of kicking our high pressure out of here. We do have another system over the northern plains and that right now. That's going to bring some showers and thunderstorm activity to that part of the country as well. And then we have what's left of Barry kind of sitting over the Mississippi River Valley. It's going to bring in some moisture in that behind it. It's going to lead to some rain in that across the Ohio River Valley and into Pennsylvania. Looking at the current temperatures right now, 79 in Selinsgrove, 79.5 in Williamsport, 79 over there in Mount Pocono. Looking at those current dew points, 64 there in Lebanon, 70 in Lancaster, 66 there in Hanover. Looking right now at the satellite, just some clouds right now over top of western PA that's following the warm front. They'll continue to make their way across the state behind that warm front today. It's going to kind of keep the chance for severe weather down, but really do have the chance for some thunderstorms and heavy rain this afternoon. Speaking of rain, taking a look at the current radar right now, we do have some of the showers over northern tier PA. Heavy downpour there near Bradford, PA. Also another one that popped up in southern PA down near Bedford. But overall, it's mainly just light showers right now across the state. As we move towards the afternoon, though, look for more showers and pop-up thunderstorms. Now, speaking of thunderstorms, today we're not in a severe risk. The marginal risk is to our west, and then over across the plains with that system, upwards of an enhanced risk, actually, for severe weather across the Great Plains. So we'll be keeping an eye on that this afternoon. But tomorrow, we're only in a marginal risk, which is a 1 out of 5. So very low chance that we'll see any kind of severe weather. And then we do have the slight and marginal risk over the central part of the states. So we want to make sure to keep an eye on that. We do have the higher chance for severe weather. So today, the bigger threat really with these systems are actually heavy rain. So for today, the heaviest rain looks like it'll stay closer to the northern tier, especially over the Erie area. But it will have those pop-up showers and thunderstorms across the state. So you could get hit by heavy rain today. It's possible you may not even see a rain drop at all today. So just keep an eye on that. And then looking ahead to tomorrow, though, much more widespread rain showers and thunderstorms, I believe. Tomorrow's going to be one of those days where it's going to be like rain, and the sun comes back out, and another band of rain comes through. It's just going to be continuous on and off with those muggy weather days. So timing out the preset for the rest of the day, look for some pop-up showers and thunderstorms across the state. That'll continue to work its way across the state throughout the rest of today. And then as the day goes along, we do have the chance for some pop-up thunderstorms that kind of combine together a little bit into a line as they make their way across. But as we get to the evening hours and they lose some of that sun's energy, they're going to kind of die off. And in the overnight hours, it should dry out before tomorrow afternoon when we get another round of more showers and thunderstorms. But rain showers will be out ahead of it, so it's going to be a continuous all-day kind of rain showers and then sunshine, heavy rain, and then sunshine. And then moving into Thursday, we have pretty much the same thing that'll pop up in Thursday afternoon with more showers and thunderstorms. So for this evening, temperatures will be 89 in Sunbury, 89 also in Milton, Watsontown, 88 up there in Lock Haven. Looking to the northeastern corner, 86 in Montrose, 84 in Carbondale, 90 there in Wilkes-Barre. Southeastern corner, 88 in Coatesville, 90 there in Harrisburg, 92 in Philadelphia. To the southwestern corner, 71 in Mount Union is a cool spot actually, and then 88 in Monessen and 89 in Pittsburgh, and up to the northwestern corner, Warren at 84, Titusville at 84 as well, and then Erie there at 72 thanks to Lake Erie. So for the rest of this afternoon, mostly sunny. Afternoon pop-up thunderstorms will come around. Highs in the upper 80s, winds out of southwest about 5 to 10 miles an hour. For tonight, evening thunderstorms, partly cloudy overnight. Lows will be in the upper 60s, winds will be mainly calm. And looking at your Wednesday, mostly sunny, afternoon thunderstorms, highs in the upper 80s, winds will be mainly calm again. And then looking ahead to Wednesday night, more scattered thunderstorms possible through the evening hours, and partly cloudy overnight. Lows in the upper 60s, winds will be out of the southwest about 5 to 10 miles an hour. And looking ahead to your 7-day forecast, shower activity stays with us through Thursday, but Friday, Saturday, Sunday it will dry out more. But temps are going to get up in the 90s. Around southern PA could be up in near 100, and especially with the heat indexes, will be into the hundreds those 3 days. By Sunday, though, we have a slight chance of some thunderstorms in the afternoon, but Monday we get the higher chance of storms coming in again, temps falling back into the 80s. I'm student meteorologist Brock Townsend here with Garage Weather. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great afternoon.